How to make money from Facebook with Facebook Professional Mode. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Here we go. At the top left corner, you can find your profile picture. Tap on it. With that, you will land to your profile. Now tap on these three dots. Over here, you're going to find different options. Head towards the option of turn on professional mode. Tap on it. Tap on turn on. Now you have to complete this process, establish your presence, connect with your audience, and review privacy settings. After you complete these processes, your professional mode will be set up. After you do that, head back to your profile and refresh your profile page. With that, you will get this option of See Dashboard. Tap on this option. Now you have to scroll down. You will see this section for monetization. Tap on this option. Tap on Get Started. You have to tap on the option of stars. In order to make money from Facebook with Facebook Professional Mode, you have to complete these processes, and with that you will be good to go. So this is how you can easily make money from Facebook with Facebook Professional Mode. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.